Modern diesel engines produce more heat than ever before, and at the same time, coolant capacities have gotten smaller. Research shows that up to 40% of all heavy-duty diesel engine problems originate in the cooling system. This is why it's so important to use the right coolant. Cummins Filtration's Fleetguard products are designed to meet the demands of today's heavy-duty diesel engines. As a part of Cummins Incorporated, Cummins Filtration has more than 50 years of experience in the science of coolant chemistry and diesel engines. Fleetguard coolants are formulated to protect aluminum radiator tubes that are susceptible to crevice corrosion. If corrosion forms in one location, it can cause perforation through the tube wall. Fleetguard coolants have additives to prevent radiator corrosion and protect against perforation. They are also developed to protect the water pump, which is designed to last for the life of the engine. The wrong coolant formula or lack of filtration can damage the water pump. When the water pump impeller turns, vapor bubbles form. The implosion of these vapor bubbles under high pressure is forceful enough to pit the metal surfaces of the pump. Fleetguard coolants are formulated to form a protective chemical barrier between the impeller and the imploding bubbles that protects the pump from damage. Fleetguard coolants are also formulated to create a protective barrier on cylinder liners. This is critical because coolant flows around cylinder liners to remove heat generated by combustion. Vibration from the pistons moving up and down creates bubbles in the coolant that implode into the liner surface. If the wrong coolant is used, these imploding bubbles can lead to cavitation or pitting of the liner. This results in engine failure. Rebuilding a typical on-highway truck engine can easily exceed $10,000, and that doesn't include the cost of engine downtime. Another potential problem for diesel engines is scale. This can create hot surfaces in the cooling system. When scale forms on liners, it introduces hot spots that accelerate ring wear and expansion. And when scale forms on the cylinder head, the reduced heat transfer can lead to overheating and head cracking. Fleetguard coolants have proprietary inhibitors that prevent the formation of scale. Fleetguard coolants are also formulated to be compatible with all cooling system materials. For example, not all commercial coolants are compatible with elastomers that are used in some diesel engines. Incompatible coolants cause elastomers to become brittle and fragile. Damaged elastomers result in head gasket and hose failure. Don't forget that filtration is an important part of maintaining your cooling system. Scale, leakage, and erosion in the cooling system can be prevented by using Fleetguard water filters. The filter removes damaging contaminant from the system that may contribute to water pump leakage, hot surface scaling, and erosion driven by particulate. Cummins Filtration is the only coolant formulator and manufacturer that is part of the same parent company as a major diesel engine manufacturer. Not only do we know coolant, we know engines. Protect your system with genuine Fleetguard products. To learn more about cooling systems, register for free training at fleetschool.com.